Did you know that there are over 50,000 one-person companies registered in India? Yes, you heard right, 50,000. Quite the surprising statistic, isn't it? This is a testament to the growing entrepreneurial spirit in the country. One-person companies, or OPCs, are a unique business structure that allows a single individual to function as a company. It provides the benefits of limited liability while allowing the entrepreneur to retain complete control over the business. In an OPC, the individual serves as both the director and shareholder, merging the benefits of a sole proprietorship with the legal protection of a private limited company. On the other hand, other types of business structures, such as private limited companies, require a minimum of 2 members to incorporate. These structures often involve complex legal formalities and can be quite challenging to manage, especially for small businesses or startups. Partnerships, another popular business structure, require 2 or more individuals. While partnerships offer the advantage of shared responsibility and resources, they also expose each partner to unlimited liability, which can be a significant risk. So, how does an OPC compare to these other types of business structures? Well, the beauty of an OPC lies in its simplicity and flexibility. It combines the ease of a sole proprietorship with the legal protection of a private limited company, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs. Now, before you get too excited and decide to register an OPC, it's important to understand the specific eligibility criteria and limitations. Only a natural person who is an Indian citizen can establish an OPC. The promoter must be a resident in India, having lived in the country for at least 182 days during the previous calendar year. The OPC must have a minimum authorized capital, and the promoter must appoint a nominee during incorporation. There are also restrictions on certain businesses, and if the OPC grows significantly, it may need to be converted into a private limited company to comply with regulatory requirements. In summary, we've covered the surprising growth of one-person companies in India, compared and contrasted OPCs with other types of business structures, and outlined the eligibility criteria and limitations for establishing an OPC. Remember, at Welltax India, we specialize in simplifying the OPC registration process. Our experienced team is here to assist you at every step. So, if you're ready to take the first step toward building your entrepreneurial dream, contact us now. Here's to your success.